Objective: to study about sowing. Sowing is a process of putting seeds in the soil. Method of sowing depends upon the type of crop. Before sowing, good and healthy seeds of good variety are selected. Farmers prefer to use seeds which give high yield. There is a simple method to separate good, healthy seeds from the damaged ones. In this method, the seeds are put in the water, stir them well and leave for some time. The damaged seeds become hollow and lighter, so they float on the water. The good seeds are heavier, sink in the water and settle at the bottom. The seeds are treated with pesticide such as carbendazim and agrocin before sowing. Treatment of seeds with pesticide protects the seeds from being eaten away by birds and from fungal or bacterial growth upon them while sprouting. Broadcasting the seeds. It is a method of seeding that involves scattering seed by hand or mechanically over a relatively large area. Seeds of crops such as berseem and coriander are spread or sprinkled in the field. Dribbling the seed. In this method, seed is placed in a small hole in the soil and then the hole is covered with the soil. Seeds such as groundnut and beans are sown in this way. This method is used in case where supply of seed is limited. Drill sowing. The seeds are sown with the help of a seed drill. Seeds of wheat, maize, barley and millets are sown in the soil in rows and in furrows at particular depth along the field. Seed drill is a funnel with a long and hollow stem. The farmer puts the seeds into the funnel and the seeds go down the stem one by one to get into the soil. Mechanized drills are attached to the tractors and are used on big farms. This sows the seeds uniformly at equal distance and depth. It ensures that seeds get covered by the soil after sowing. This saves time and labor and prevents the damage of seeds by birds. Appropriate distance between the seeds is necessary to avoid overcrowding of plants. This allows plants to get sufficient sunlight, nutrients and water from the soil. At times, a few plants may have to be removed to prevent overcrowding. Preparing nursery of plants and then transplanting the saplings. In the case of paddy especially and most of the seasonal vegetables and flowering plants, initially the seeds are sown in nursery to obtain saplings. Saplings are then transplanted into the fields, placing them at a proper distance from one another. Nowadays, machine transplantation is being used to save time and labor. Transplanting helps in planting only healthy plants and at a proper distance from one another. It also helps in eliminating the weak saplings.